Although DP Road Center was established in 2013, Healing Hands saw its inception in 2008. That time, HHC was just on letterheads, as Sir would conduct his OPD and OT at Pune Hospital. It's extremely difficult for a newcomer to establish practice in Pune. Add to that the fact that he was not from Pune, had no home here, and had no financial support of any kind. To keep his surgeon's hands occupied, he started going to a charitable hospital in Ahmednagar once a week. To meet the basic cost of living in Pune and to establish a patient base, he started doing a road trip to Satara, Kolhapur and Goa once in 2 weeks. He did this all the way up to 2013. Then there were these small hospitals in and around Pune where he would do hemorrhoids and hernia for a fee of 1500 to 2000 rupees. In 2009, he started an OPD at Sharda Clinic, my dad's hospital, which also had an OT. In 2011, we started our first Healing Hands Clinic Center at Tilak Road, which was a small OPD setup that still exists. In the same year, Sir also established a Proctology department at Inamdar Hospital and in 2012 at Ruby Hall Clinic. In 2013, we started DP Road 4th floor and in 2014, Sir was at Jahangir too. I remember what a roller coaster it was between 2013 and 17 when he was juggling between all these big hospitals, would finish his OPD and OT there and then start his OPD at DP Road around 6 in the evening. All those who were there around that time know that this OPD would go on till around 2 and 3 at night. I still remember there were so many times he would come home at 4 and 5 in the morning. When we started DP Road, it was just on the 4th floor with a small OT, 2 private rooms and 2 semi-private beds. Around 2016, Sir operated on the owner of the building who graciously rented us the 3rd floor too. In the beginning of 2018, we got the 2nd floor on rent. In 2020, we got the 1st and the ground floor. Finally, post-COVID in 2021, we took ownership of the entire building and last year we got the 5th floor and permission for the 6th floor. To sum it up, we started with a consultation room of less than 300 square feet at Tilak Road and in 10 years, DP Road grew from a rental space of 3,000 square feet to our very own Healing Hands Clinic of 36,000 square feet.